above me. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Shall we begin?
Hi friends and welcome back to the channel. I am Mohammed Ibrahim, Architecture and Interior Designing Projects. As you have been watching my videos on different topics, today I came here in Goregaon, Bombay Exhibition Center, which is Acetech, as you can see behind me. So I have come here to visit and I have got my visiting pass over here. It's for free as I'm an architect by profession. So I will be showing you all the stalls one by one. So let us start the show.
Next level.
So guys, I am going to visit hall number 1. Behind me is the hall number 1. So let us start the show and see hall number 1. See a lot of people over here. You see a drone flying above this. You see? It is drone. You see this drone flying above me? Hi. Say hi, hi, hi. This is a stall for flooring. Keep on.
So it's something we have just got into the manufacturing of flooring, flooring industry.
Okay.
Where we have started, we have hardwood, hard flooring as well as soft flooring with us.
Hard and soft flooring.
Yes.
Okay.
So in soft flooring we do wall-to-wall carpets.
Wall-to-wall
Carpet style.
tiles.
Okay. And in hard flooring we do have SPCs with us.
Okay.
There's a composite of stone and polymer, which makes the product 100% waterproof,
Okay.
termite proof,
Okay.
and scratch resistance.
Okay.
What all properties you require for flooring, it's covered over there, I would say.
Yeah, as we can see over here, this is one of the sample given over here. They are throwing water on the sample, which is totally waterproof. So I think so it's really good. Yeah. And the carpets.
And it is easy to install. You can, as the thickness of the product is barely around 4 mm.
4 mm.
So even if you install on your existing floor, there is no floor rise issue.
Okay.
So I can easily incorporate with my existing furniture fixtures also.
Okay. Okay. And in carpets, do we have a tiled carpet or like roller carpets?
These are planks, sir.
Planks.
So it comes in plank form. There are 4 sizes that we have available.
Okay.
We have wood finish. We have stone finish. So both the finish has a different sizes that we offer.
Okay. Above the carpets, carpet flooring.
Carpet. Then we have carpet tiles.
Tiles.
Even in tiles we have 2 concepts. We have carpet tiles as well as carpet planks also.
Okay.
In plank forms also.
Okay. Do we
So the majorly areas that go where this product goes into your banquet areas, your auditorium, cinema halls. So those are the areas where this particular products are being used.
Okay.
So apart from that, then the carpet tiles are majorly used into the hotel,
Hotels.
corporates.
Corporate sector.
Let it be IT parks and the office areas where you
Five-star
have
hotels as well.
five-star hotels usually go out for wall-to-wall carpets.
Wall-to-wall carpets.
You know, the banquet areas where the five-star hotels are. We supply this kind of carpets over
Okay.
there. So these are the carpets which goes over there.
Can you show me some samples of the carpets?
Yeah, I can just
Wall to wall as well as roller carpets.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Harmesh ji.
Same here, sir. Same here, sir.
Next level.
This is the Restile
Restile.
stall.
Stall,
Okay, we are here. Okay.
Is a homogeneous project, full body
Homogeneous.
vitrified tiles.
Okay. Wow.
Is a embossed marking,
Embossed.
screw and nozzle.
This what makes it different from other tiles?
Other tiles. This is
yeah.
a homogeneous project,
Okay.
full body vitrified matte,
Full body vitrified matte.
unglazed material,
Unglazed.
0% glaze.
Oh, wow. 0% glazed.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
Thanks.
And what's your name?
Abhay Tripathi.
Abhay Tripathi.
Manager.
Okay.
Looking at the project sales.
Project
Mumbai,
sales.
Thane and Western.
Wow, this. We are into steel touch, and he would be explaining me all the things over here. Okay. Door handles. See how huge, how long they are, and how thick they are. Okay. ये कौन से मटेरियल्स के हैं? स्टील के मटेरियल। सब स्टील के मटेरियल, बस फिनिशेस अलग अलग है।
वाटर जेट कटिंग।
वाटर जेट कटिंग। ओके, वाटर जेट कटिंग मीन्स?
इसे वाटर के स्प्लिट के फिनिश में कट किया गया होता है।
ओके, कट किया वाटर जेट से।
लेजर कटिंग कैसे होता है?
ओके, जैसा लेज़र कट होता है वैसे वाटर जेट कट होता है, उससे कट किया गया है एंड दे हैव ऑब्टेन्ड दिस फिनिश फ्रॉम वाटर जेट। ओके,
ताज के मेन डोर पे हैंडल के लगा हुआ हैंडल है, ताज होटल के।
कौन से? ताज होटल के। दिस इज एक्चुअल हैंडल विच इज ऑन द ताज होटल, कैन सी। So nice to meet you, Kapil ji.
Yes, sir.
Or you have explained me all the things in detail. So nice to
Next level.
This is Mezos Vansong. We do prefabricated houses.
houses, prefab houses. Wow.
In wood and in stone, and we do statement furniture.
Statement furnitures as well. So what is new things in this? Like what we can see over here?
So this is the Hera chair. It's inspired by the white peacock,
White peacock.
and it's for gardens, and it's available as a swing as well.
Swing. Okay.
So if you come over here,
okay.
so these are couches.
Couches.
That look like stone, but
Stones, yeah.
actually they are very soft.
Artificial
And,
stone. Like we can we sit on this?
Yeah, it's a seating.
Oh, like see, you can sit on. Okay.
And so it's for indoors, and you
Indoors.
can even keep it in a covered
Covered
gazebo
shed,
or
yeah.
terrace. So we do different,
Like closed areas
yeah. So
for recreation purposes, right?
yes. So we do limited edition furniture. So we
Furnitures.
have a lot of series. Different series. You can have a look around.
Wow. Can you see this?
Next level. 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 Next level.
बहुत भूख लग रही थी, इसके लिए बन मस्का लिया मैंने और वेज पफ लिया।
Natural living wall, vertical wall. The whole installation is done by us, end-to-end solution. नीचे तक में वो प्रॉपर आता है, इक्वल पानी, हर प्लांट इसमें इंटरकनेक्टेड है। ओके, सो द थिंग इज़ कि जो इसमें जो मॉड्यूल्स है ना वो सारे इनबिल्ट है। आप साइड से भी आके देख सकते हो, लाइक इसका जो मॉड्यूल्स का जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना वो सब कुछ इनबिल्ट है। आपको कुछ नहीं दिखना पड़, आपको कुछ नहीं दिखेगा। लाइक जो ड्रिपिंग पॉइंट है ना, इसमें बाकी के ग्रीन वॉल में क्या होता है, वो लाइक 2, 3, 4 करके वो ड्रिपर्स होते हैं और इंटरचेंजेबल होते हैं। और इसमें क्या है, सबका अपना अपना है,
इसमें सबका अपना
कनेक्टेड है। ऊपर से पानी आ रहा है, सबका इक्वल पानी जा रहा है इसमें। लाइक दिस इज अ डिफरेंट बिटवीन अदर ग्रीन वॉल एंड आर ग्रीन वॉल। एंड ये जो ग्रीन वॉल है ये 84 स्क्वायर फीट का है।
84 स्क्वायर फीट,
या।
And what else? How it is different from other companies like your company?
Like different from other company is now the basic difference. I'll let you know that कि जो बाकी के ग्रीन वॉल्स होते हैं ना, जो फर्स्ट एक स्क्वायर फीट में 3 प्लांट आते हैं और हमारे में 4 प्लांट आते हैं। इरिगेशन सिस्टम है उसमें भी बहुत डिफरेंट है और इसमें भी बहुत डिफरेंट। और दिस इज़ अ स्मार्ट ग्रीन वॉल। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू दैट इसमें ब्लूटूथ टाइमर है, यू कैन यूज़ इट फ्रॉम योर स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस। दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अदर ग्रीन वॉल एंड आर ग्रीन वॉल।
और जो प्लांट्स लगा सकते हैं इसमें, पॉट कर सकते हैं, वो कौन कौन से डिफरेंट टाइप के होते हैं?
लाइक इट डिपेंड ऑन योर लोकेशन। लाइक सेमी शेड हुआ, फिर से सन शेड हुआ, इंटर हाउस के अंदर हुआ, वो डिपेंड करता है।
स्मॉल प्लांट लगा सकते हैं, लार्ज प्लांट कैसे?
स्मॉल प्लांट, लार्ज प्लांट, इट डिपेंड अपॉन हाउ यू डिज़ाइन योर ग्रीन वॉल।
How we design our green. Suppose I have to cover a wall with lot of types of flowering plants. So can we? Is there any reason?
You can do, but the thing is now that this plant look better. Okay, you have the color option in this also, so you can play with the colors, and if you want the green wall to be very colorful like that only. We have a different variety of the plant also.
Okay, what do you suggest me? A green wall of flowers or a green wall of plants only?
Green wall of plants.
Why is it so?
Because a green wall of plant is it's very economical.
Economical.
Yeah, that is
Means to maintain.
Yeah, it's very easy to maintain and it looks so good also.
So friends, you heard the voice of Shilpi. She was little bit shy of coming to the camera. That's why I told her to be comfortable with her voice. I want the brief discussions about these green walls, how they're built and what all qualities are they having. So all these things would be shown to you and heard you by her voice. So do hear this. Okay? Thanks a lot. Guess what? Who is here? My friend John. He met me just now only. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही था ये सेशन पूरा जो आपको रोम कराया मैंने। आप देख सकते हैं पूरे इस वीडियो में सारे हॉल्स तो नहीं कवर कर पाया मैं, बिकॉज इट वॉज टू ह्यूज। हॉल नंबर 1, 2, 3 and 4, there are total 4 halls, and the first one was so huge and the fourth one as well. The interesting part was of hall number 4, which was of building sustainability. You would be seeing all the videos, all the stalls in this video. So thanks a lot guys. आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट करना ना भूलिएगा। अगर न्यू है तो लाइक कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स। ओके, थैंक्स a lot guys. Take care. Bye.